Alright, so on this Cascadia, it needs fuel filters. Getting the code saying fuel filter restricted. It's a little gas pump. Come on the dashboard with some water drops next to it. That means the filters, which are here. 1, 2, 3. They full, they dirty. So we're gonna change them. Now to change them, you need a socket set, which I got from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh Pro. Got all your big dogs in here, all the way up to a 38 millimeter. So you're gonna need this because the socket on that is a 35. To take them off, voila. So let's get them off. Here is the filter. This is it. This is it. That's the part number for the filter. Okay, here we go. See, it's coming off. Now you want to try to hurry up and get that filter in there so you ain't got to prime the system. We can kind of get around that. This, once again, you at the home of the shortcut. Jackleg mechanic. Okay. Got that bitch out. Let it drain. Okay. It's out. New one. Snap it in. Snap it in. Okay, let's get it on, people. Get it back down as quick as possible. You always take this off manually. Don't use no air. Nope. You forgot something, people. You gotta change that. Hand me that washer. That O-ring. You gotta change that O-ring. That shit won't seal.
Big one.
Yeah, it's only one in there.
That's 2.
Oh, I need the big though. Okay, hand me that. See how it done stretched? It ain't no more good once you break it loose. Okay, get him on. Get him on, get him on. Okay, it's in there. Drop it back. Okay. See, I'm moving too fast. I had forgot my damn self. Shit. Okay. Put buoy back on. Damn buoy cone. Okay. Tight. Come around, slow. Here, tightening up. That's it. Bitch. Let's go to the next one. Is that little one ready? All right. Bitch. All right, we going to the second one. You got that filter ready, John? Yep. All right. Okay. Hand me that O-ring. Put that O-ring on, people. Let's get it on. Okay, let's pull this one out. Damn, that bitch clogged up. You see it?
Yep.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Just gotta snap it in. Get it on, people. Okay. Let's get him on, people. It. Last but not least, right here. That's the strainer. You got it ready? Bitch. Okay. Last but not least, strainer. Now you see all that? See how clogged up she is? Let's get him out. Okay, let's get it back in. Tighten it up. Tighten it up, people. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Okay. It'll tell you when you're tight. That's it. Okay. Prime. To fill the filters back up with diesel. Because she's not going to want to start up. I'll tell you that now. So you need to pump this shit till this get hard. It's your primer. She's getting hard. Or if you don't do it like this, the trick I'm showing you, you're gonna take it to the shop and get it done. And that's gonna be $300-400. You know, we trying to save money here, people. Okay, we're gonna fire the truck up. Okay, we're gonna take off this water separator too. You need this tool here. Got it from Amazon. Removes the water separator. It's a wrench.
Nope, that stays on there. This.
That what?
See how it's got that shield of paper on there?
Yeah, that shit stay on there.
Yeah, it stays on.
Same one.
Give me that.
Trying to let that cocksucker dry, bitch. In there. Okay, we get this bitch back on quick. On there with that cap. And one of them little small O-rings in there.
Yep.
Hand me that. Alright. That other shit they gave us ain't work. Use that in and tighten that up. That's it. Okay, we gonna do a prime without priming. So just follow what I'm doing. So I'm finna get in there and start the truck. It's probably not gonna start And if it don't, so just follow the video. Okay, this is what you gotta do. Get you some diesel, pour it in here. Fill it up. Fill it up, see it? Then you come over here to the primer and you prime it until the diesel go down. See? See how it's going down? Yep. Pump it till it go down. Fill it back up. That's how you prime the system. After a filter change. See how it's going down? Don't let it go past that black line. You don't want air in the system. Okay, some more. Suck it down. Okay, that's what you do. Let's get it started. As you can see, the truck is running.